Time for some Wednesday birthdays across the 4 states, and we begin in Riverton with Kaylin Phillips celebrating birthday number 8.
And we have Elijah McCarley celebrating birthday number 12.
And Gabe Duncan in Potwin, Kansas celebrating birthday number 15. Happy birthday, Gabe.
Aiden No is turning 18 years old this year in Carthage.
And we've got Heather Marsh in Joplin celebrating number 43. She is the sister of our ever so fabulous assignment editor, Stephanie Marsh. And it says, happy birthday from all the family and, of course, all of us here as well. Happy birthday, Heather.
Happy birthday, Heather. Hope you have a wonderful day. And a happy birthday wish going out to Julie Cox, who's now 54 years old. Looking great there, Julie, in Lamar.
And Samantha Finley celebrating a birthday in Girard. Happy birthday.
And Bill and RG Hickman are celebrating their 65th anniversary. They're in Deerfield, Missouri.
And we've got Karen and Jim Vaughn celebrating their 52nd wedding anniversary. Our neighbors down in Crestline. Happy anniversary to the Vaughns.
Our neighbor in Lawton, Lorna Alford. Happy birthday to you.
And more neighbors for us. Betty Morgan celebrating birthday number 63 down in Crestline.
Vicki Hodge, our neighbor in Crestline. It's like our neighbor birthday list today.
It is.
Happy birthday, Vicki.
And we've got Octava Lehman celebrating birthday number 29 over in Frontenac. It's so wonderful to celebrate with our neighbors and all of our friends, and we'd like for you to celebrate with us. Tanya, how do they do that?
That's right. All you have to do is send us an email to KOAM News or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
All right, while you're at our website, why don't you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club? It's easy to do. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So all you need to do is head over to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.